Welcome back to RV Road Report, your ultimate destination for everything motorhomes and road adventures. And today we're diving into the world of luxury and ruggedness with a stunning Swift Ascari 384 motorhome. This beauty is a game changer for anyone who loves to travel in style and comfort. So, buckle up as we take you on a detailed tour of this glossy sky blue and white masterpiece. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting RV content. Let's get started. Exterior, front view. First up, let's talk about the exterior. Standing here in the Swift showroom, the Ascari 384 commands attention with its bold, glossy sky blue and white finish. The front view is sleek yet rugged, with a robust 6x6 wheel setup that promises to tackle any terrain. The iconic Swift logo proudly sits on the grille, symbolizing quality and reliability. This motorhome is built for adventure, and its long, rugged body is designed to handle the toughest roads while keeping you comfortable. Stay tuned as we explore more. Topside view. Now, let's head up top. The Swift Ascari 384 is equipped with solar panels, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. You'll also notice the antenna and the external AC unit, which ensures you stay cool even in the hottest climates. The rooftop is designed to maximize functionality without compromising on style. Whether you're camping under the stars or parked at a scenic spot, this motorhome has got you covered, literally. Back side view. Moving to the rear, the Ascari 384 doesn't disappoint. It features a carefully designed spare tire carrier and a cycle rack, perfect for those who love to bring their bikes along for the ride. The backside is as rugged as the front, with a sturdy build that ensures durability. Every detail has been thought of, making this motorhome a true companion for long journeys. Side view. Let's take a look at the side profile. The Swift Ascari 384 comes with a retractable awning, creating a cozy outdoor sitting area. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee or an evening barbecue under this tent. Pure bliss. The side view also highlights the motorhome's sleek design and spacious windows, which let in plenty of natural light. It's the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Driving compartment. Now, let's step inside the driving compartment. The Ascari 384 offers a driver-centric design with a modern dashboard, comfortable seating, and two LED screens, one for navigation and another for the rearview camera. The controls are intuitive, and the visibility is excellent, making it a joy to drive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rough terrain, this motorhome ensures a smooth and safe ride. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving compartment is a cozy sitting and sleeping area. The sofa easily converts into a bed, offering a comfortable space to relax or sleep. The large windows provide stunning views, and the interior lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of adventure. Kitchen. Next up is a compact yet fully functional kitchen. It comes equipped with a sink, a stove, and plenty of storage space for your cooking essentials. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a full meal, this kitchen has everything you need. The design is smart, ensuring that even in a small space, you have all the amenities for a comfortable journey. Washroom. Let's not forget the washroom. Despite the compact size, the Ascari 384 features a well-designed washroom with a toilet, sink, and shower. The clever use of space ensures you have all the essentials without feeling cramped. It's perfect for freshening up after a day of exploring. And there you have it, the Swift Ascari 384 motorhome, a true marvel of design and functionality. Priced at $190,000, this motorhome is an investment in luxury, comfort, and adventure. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow RV enthusiasts, and subscribe to RV Road Report for more exciting content. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the Ascari 384. Until next time, happy travels, and remember, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.